Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Genshin Impact directly through your web browser. This method provides a fantastic way to dive into Teyvat without downloading the full game client. It's incredibly convenient for those on the go or with limited storage. We'll cover everything from getting started to optimizing your experience, ensuring you can enjoy the vast world of Genshin Impact with ease. To begin playing Genshin Impact in your browser, first ensure your computer meets the basic system requirements. A stable internet connection, ideally 20 megabits per second or faster, is essential for a seamless experience. Make sure your web browser, such as Chrome or Firefox, is fully updated. Once ready, simply log in with your Hoyoverse account and you're all set to explore. Playing Genshin Impact through your browser offers a remarkably similar experience to the dedicated desktop application. You'll still explore the vast open world, engage in combat, and complete quests. However, performance can fluctuate depending on your internet speed and device specifications. While most features are available, some high-end graphics settings might be adjusted for optimal browser performance. For the best stability, consider a wired internet connection. To ensure the smoothest Genshin Impact experience in your browser, there are a few key optimizations. First, close any other demanding browser tabs or background applications. Regularly clearing your browser's cache and cookies can also significantly improve performance. If you encounter any lag, try lowering the in-game graphics settings. Finally, always keep your web browser and operating system updated for the best possible gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.